Be sure to check out goodvibesfashionplus.com for way more than just clothing for all. Here are 20 of the best simple and effective life hacks to consider using. Some of them will have you saying, nice, why didn't I think of this before? While others might have you scratching your head like, huh? How does that even work? Let's get started. Number 1. Organizing cables. Use binder clips to manage and organize cables on desk. Clip them to the edge of the desk and thread each cable through. Number 2. Sealing chips bags. No clips. Use the top of the plastic hanger, the ones with clips, to seal an opened chips bag to keep it fresh. Number 3. Easy ice pack. Fill a clean, thick sponge with water. Put it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. It makes a handy, reusable ice pack. Number 4. Shoe freshener. Place dry tea bags in shoes to absorb unpleasant odors, leaving them smelling fresher. Please do not use wet tea bags. Number 5. Removing permanent marker. Use hand sanitizer to remove permanent marker stains from surfaces like whiteboards or counters. Number 6. Amplify phone speaker. Place your smartphone in an empty cup or bowl to amplify the volume without external speakers. Number 7. Quick chill beverages. Wrap a wet paper towel around a beverage can or bottle and put it in the freezer to cool it down quickly. Be careful not to leave glass bottles in the freezer for too long though. Number 8. DIY smartphone stand. Do-it-yourself smartphone stand. This is one of them that got me scratching my head. Fold a business card or a sturdy piece of paper to create a quick and easy phone stand. Like, how is a business card gonna be strong enough to hold a phone? I could understand maybe cardboard would be the trick. Try it out and let me know in the comments. Number 9. Removing gum from clothes. Freeze a garment with the gum on it, then use a knife to scrape the gum off easily. Easy peasy. Number 10. Easy key identification. Paint the top of the keys with different colors of nail polish to easily identify them. You can do this even if you're a man. You won't lose your manhood. Number 11. Prevent button loss.
Oh my gosh!
Apply clear nail polish over the threads of buttons on shirts and coats to prevent them from unraveling. Is nail polish even strong enough for this? Let me know in the comments if you think it's strong enough to do this. Number 12. Tightening sunglasses. Use clear nail polish to tighten loose screws on sunglasses or eyeglasses. Looks like nail polish is on a roll. Number 13. Quickly cool down a car. Open one window and then open and close the opposite door a few times to quickly cool down a hot car by pushing the hot air out. Number 14. Extend soap life. Place a sponge in your soap dish to absorb excess water and keep soap from getting mushy, making it last longer. Number 15. Efficient toothpaste use. Use a binder clip to squeeze every last bit of toothpaste out of the tube. Start from the bottom and work your way up. Number 16. Protect razors. Clip a large binder clip over the razor blade to protect it and your fingers during travel. Number 17. Non-slip hangers. Wrap rubber bands around the ends of hangers to prevent clothes from slipping off. Number 18. DIY iced coffee. Do-it-yourself iced coffee. Freeze coffee in an ice cube tray. Use these coffee ice cubes in your iced coffee to prevent it from getting watered down. Number 19. Quick banana ripening. Bake unripe bananas in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 150 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes to ripen them quickly. Huh? Never heard of this before. Personally, I don't think I would try this. I'll just wait for the banana to ripe on its own. Number 20. Effortless microwave cleaning. Microwave a bowl of water with lemon juice for 3 minutes, then let it stand for 5 minutes before wiping down the inside. The steam loosens grime, making cleaning easier. Wow, personally I gotta try this one for sure. Incorporating these life hacks into your life can be very practical and straightforward solutions to common problems, making your life a bit easier and more enjoyable. I hope at least one of these hacks were very useful and helpful for you. Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. And remember, good vibes only.